Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 7th, 2025. I'm out in Elon, the excavator right now. Yesterday the winds really kicked up pretty darn bad. Temperatures dropped pretty significantly, and everything I did out there just is completely frozen to the ground. Right now it's just snowing, but boy, I'll tell you, when those winds kick up, everything's shaking. Started over there trying to pick up some stuff over there, but you can hear things crashing, so I decided not to work too close to the building today. And there's no sense mounting cameras out here, they just keep falling over. So I don't know, this may just be a real short update video today. I may shoot a little bit this afternoon if things calm down, but you know, we only got a small amount of snow. I'm guessing we probably got an inch, maybe inch and a half so far, but it's coming down pretty well right now. And but it's the darn winds, and this is very cold and somewhat exhausting. When I was young, well, even when I was young, I wouldn't enjoy it, especially when you get wet and all. But so I thought I'd just check in with you. I did send off an email this morning to the senior claims adjuster, because I'd sent off a proposal yesterday with the contractor gave me for trying to button up to prevent further damage to the first workshop up there. To pull the wall back in and get some vapor barrier over it so we can not lose any more stuff in that building over there. But yeah, insurance companies move pretty darn slow. Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing some work. There's no sense trying to film anything here, and I got to get some wood from the woodshed too. For the wood stove in the house. So I'm going to do that first, and then come back and see what I can tackle. So if this is the end of the video, thanks so much for watching. Just a brief update. If it isn't, there'll be more to come. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.